I was just finishing a video. This is your boy Mr. Grands. Let me just do a quick introduction. And I thought, I have no carrots at home, and rather me to go to the shop, why don't I just grab some that's actually ready to take home with me. So come with me right now. Let me harvest. Just a quick harvest of some beautiful carrots. I have some mixed carrots, and then I'm gonna go to the autumn kings that I'm gonna leave the rest later on to the year because I have them in different stages. They're gonna be growing nicely throughout the autumn, so I can come here even if it's frozen and grab some carrots and go home because they can handle the cold once they've matured. That's the hint. Once they're a little bit matured. So the mixed lot. These are the mixed lot right here, and I'm gonna try to get some bok choy planted in here, or I could just sow some of the lamb lettuce that I mentioned in the last time. So I shouldn't need much of my shovel or spade because this is a no dig, no till environment. So it should be quite easy. Let me just remove some of these bushes here, and yeah, just a little wiggle. This is a yellow variety. Look at that. Let's see. Ooh. It broke off. No, a red variety. It broke off. That was a big one. It's okay. Let's be patient and take. I'm gonna go back in there. I'm actually gonna go back in there right now and see if I can take it out. I don't want to do too much digging because I'm trying to maintain that no dig. Or I could just leave it in there, let nature do its thing. You know, let me leave it in there. This is another one. Look at that. Okay, this one might be a big one. Hang on. Look at this purple, deep purple one. Look at that. That's beautiful. Come on, guys. Isn't this the best thing? Rather than going to a shop when I need the item that I grow, I can just come out here and just remove them. Look at that. Lovely. I'm coming for that one soon. Yeah, let's give it a wiggle. Okay. A little bit of a twist. Gotta be a little bit patient with it. This one is a big one. Okay, come on. You know you want to come out. Twist and turn and pull. Yes, look at that. Beautiful. Perfect. Carrot. Haha, yes. I'm in the money. There is a big hole that it came out of it, but don't worry. Ah, I broke another one. Come on. Too much strength. Look at that. I broke another one. This is the red carrot. I think the red carrots are so easy to break. I'm going to leave that one there inside the ground. Let it become food for the microorganism. I'm not going to do too much turning. Some of them are so tight and hard to pull out, but it's not too. I'm just trying not to break any. That's what I'm. Look at that. This one here, it didn't do anything growth wise because it was turning into flowers, but it's okay. I'm going to throw it to the side. These beautiful yellow ones. Got a couple of broken ones. This little thumb size one. It's okay, it's still food. And fun fact, you can use the tops of your carrots and add them to your salad as well. And if you have a Bugs Bunny, hey, what's up, Jack? You can give them to your rabbits or your chickens or whatever. And even other animals as well will eat them. Let's get this one here. Ooh, come on now. I need you to come home with me. Ooh, that's a beautiful yellow one. Beautiful. Yes, thank you. God is good. Look at that. That is some amazing one right now. Ooh, the soil is beautiful. Let's grab the rest of these. I'm gonna leave. There's a couple of parsnips growing here. I'm gonna leave them out. I don't want to take them out. Let's, because they are related to the carrots. Just leave them in there. Let them take up the space while I'm gonna add some other things in here. Ooh, that's a lovely size yellow one. Look at that. That is beautiful. Ain't no much pleasure you can get from just harvesting your own. Look, a beautiful, small, tiny, little purple variety of carrot. Parsnip, stay here. I'm not gonna take you. This before. And sometimes I just do this. Just break up the leaves and just sprinkle them back over. Season the soil. That's not the right thing, but I'm just saying season the soil. But it is okay. The worms, you gotta feed the worms. There's one more here, and there's one last one. I got a runny nose out here because it is a bit cold. Excuse me, guys. Okay, I have a carrot and a parsnip together. I have to be very careful there. Okay, this is the last one. Okay, you. Yes, sir. Let me turn you guys around. Look at that. I dropped it. Let's get you guys a little bit more sturdy. Look at that. I'm gonna go over to the other side now to get some autumn kings. I'm gonna pluck a few. I'm not gonna take all of them. Say, look at that. Look at this beautiful arrangement of colors. I've broken off 2 red carrots. That was gonna be a big one. That was gonna be a big one. But hey, I got some big yellows, big orange, a couple of small purple ones, which is perfectly edible. Come on. And if you've never seen a purple carrot before, there you go. But let's take you guys over there and grab a couple of autumn kings. Yes, that's opened me up now. I might even stick some garlic in here. Some bok choy or something else that I have coming. Yeah, I got a couple more garlic cloves that I could plant out. I could stick them in there with enough space between them so I can actually get the other items in the garden planted in between them. And the garlic will add like a barrier to my other crops when they are growing, because certain bugs don't like the smell of garlic, like Dracula. Okay, I'm just gonna grab a couple from here, not a lot, just want to make sure I'm not stepping on anything, like a tiny baby plant in here. Let's tighten this netting up a bit. Okay, let's pull this one here, that looks a bit big. Let's see. Ooh, come on now. Come on guys, come on. This, and my hands are big, my fingers are big. I have a very big hand. Look, my hands are huge. I can play basketball and I can hold a basketball with one hand, even though I'm petite in size. But look, you can't beat it, and the smell. Come on. Who's buying stuff from the store this year? Not me. No more need for carrots this year. I ain't going to get none of that carrot stuff. I don't need it. And it's so amazing because it's no dig. That's beautiful. Come on. Who's with me? Write a comment in the chat saying carrots for life. Okay, maybe not that, but carrots. Look at that. This is a little tampa, but it's okay. I'm going to leave the ones that I can see that haven't got much. You know, you can feel them as well. They have a little bit of a time to grow. Let me just remove the last one. Look how easy that was. I'm going to come back and add something in here. Some garlic and some other brassicas. And maybe throw some of those lamb lettuce and bok choy in here. You know? Oh, the aroma. Do you know what? Yeah, let me just take this one. Let's take it home with me. Gonna wash them up and put them in the house. There's a couple of baby ones here. Let's leave them. Look how beautiful. Look at the beautiful soil. Look at those worms. This is amazing. It's amazing. Let's put them all together. Show you guys the total. My runny nose. Excuse me, guys. It is a bit nippy and dark and definitely a bit chilly. And that is it, guys. Look. Quick crop. Quick harvest. Not quick crop. Quick harvest. Yeah. You got reds, oranges. Ooh, the yellow one fell. The yellow variety. Your purple variety. And there's a variety in here called as Autumn King. Where are you? Here are you. Look at that. Autumn King. Can't beat it. And these guys will grow into the winter, and I will be harvesting them in the next video. And that is it for me. This is your boy, Mr. Green Hands. Thank you, guys. There's nothing that gives me much joy than coming out here and harvesting food that I've helped to grow. And please keep growing, and please don't forget to look after the planet, because we have to. I might look a little bit bushy, but in a couple of weeks this is going. It's going. See you guys next time. Stay blessed.